Namaskaram. Today I am gonna share Sadhguru's Yogic food stuffed okra recipe with you. Let's prepare. Ingredients: 500 gram okras, washed, wiped dry, top and tail trimmed, sliced lengthwise with ends joined. Half cup of groundnuts, 1-inch piece ginger, peeled, finely grated, half cup gram flour, 1.5 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon jaggery, crumbled, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, oil for frying, salt to taste. Method: put the groundnuts in a pan and roast until fragrant and lightly brown. When cool, remove the skin. Place in the mixer and grind coarsely. Add the ginger to the groundnut powder along with gram flour, garam masala powder, salt to taste, crumbled jaggery and lemon juice. Mix it well. Stuff a little bit of this mixture into each okras, that all the cut surface are well covered. Heat the oil in a wok. Fry the stuffed okras until crisp. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain the excess oil on absorbent kitchen towels. Very crispy and tasty stuffed okra is ready. Additional: wipe the okras well, otherwise they will become sticky while cooking. It is best to select small and tender okras for this recipe. If the tip breaks easily, the okra is tender. If desired, coconut can also be added to that paste. Learn a lot more yogic recipes from Sadhguru. Subscribe and click the bell icon for more latest yogic food recipes. Thanks for watching.